Assalamu alaikum. I am Zohra Zaman. I am presenting structured query language of database management system. Firstly, let's start with SQL statements. Mostly, action that is performed in a database are performed using SQL statements. Semicolon is the standard way to separate each SQL statements. Firstly, we describe select statement. This statement is used to select some specific columns from a database table. The syntax is select column name from table name. We can also select all the columns of a table. In that case, we use star indicating all. So the syntax for selecting all the columns of a table is select star from table name. Then select statement with column alias. This is to show a meaningful table header name. The AS command is used to indicate a particular nickname for a column in a table. So the syntax will be select the original column name as the new alias name from table name. Remember, the statement alias duration is only during the query is running. Distinct keyword. This is used to remove duplicate rows from the query result. Sometimes a column in a table may contain many duplicate values in it, which we may want to list different values in different particular rows. Then we use the distinct keyword. So the syntax for this distinct keyword will be select distinct column name from table name. Select statement with where clause. To show all those rows of database table that satisfies the provided condition. That is, the where clause extract all the records that is provided with a specific condition. So the syntax will be select column name from table name with where condition. Now order by clause. To show the query results in a sorted order. Sorted means either it will be ascending to descending or descending to ascending order. So the keyword in this order by clause will be ASC for ascending and DESC for descending. The syntax is select column name from table name where condition order by column ascending or descending. These are the most basic SQL queries that we have discussed up to now. Thank you for bearing with me. Allah Hafiz.